your first HTML page. Remember that HTML is a programming language that communicates instructions to your web browser. It instructs the web browser on exactly how the web page should be displayed to the viewer. HTML and CSS, which we'll explore later on, defines the way fonts, colors, graphics, and hyperlinks are displayed on your pages. Let's take a look at a quick example. If we visit a web page through our web browser, for demonstration purposes, I've loaded TechCrunch.com on Google Chrome. You can do the same using any browser of your choice. As we can see, this page is composed of basic text, links, images, and font styling. Let's take a look at the HTML code that instructs Google Chrome on how to display all the elements of this page. To do that, right-click on any blank area of the page and select View Page Source. As you can see, this is the actual code that communicates the layout of the page. Although this looks like a fairly lengthy and complex block of code, HTML pages follow more or less the same structure in all pages. By the end of this section, you'll be able to interpret and understand what most of this code means and even program HTML pages on your own.